You're in charge of the camera. Get it coming, shooting up, and you can watch it. It's going to be running the whole time. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
I'll canoe so we're good.
Do you want this?
Yeah. I'll canoe and drink. That's my job. What, you want to be turned? Yeah.
Is it still going?
Awesome. It's still going. You can just touch the screen.
Oh, okay.
Now, when it hits, what is it look like? When it hits 2 minutes to the time on the left,
Yeah.
then stop and restart it.
Okay.
Woo! You can stop.
How do I stop it? There we go.
No. Oh, look at it. They got a little twinkle. I'll turn it around again. Safer view out here, huh?
Hell yeah. Unless one gets shot towards us.
I got you.
There's no way that thing would come so fast. Our only option would be to jump off.
No, I would help you.
There wouldn't be any time.
I'm like Final Destination. I see shit before it happens. Imagine.
That'd be crazy.
I can take it then. Sure. That's pretty cool. I'm going to back up after this cake. I'll back us up a little bit before the finale. I know where they're shooting from, so the finale's coming. Well, the front of the dock hasn't shot off yet, so.
It hasn't?
Periodically, not all together yet. That's awesome. On your phone? We're good, They were the big tubes that shot off. No. They're from that camp. Everybody stopped once you start because they want to watch.
What?
Everybody on the other side of the lake stopped because they want to watch.
It's mad quiet.
Yeah, it's crazy. Right there, you can get a good ass picture. Try to get a picture of that. I don't know if it'll work. I'm gonna try to bring us back in closer. This looks like Disney, huh?
Yeah, right?
They're shooting off little pussy candles over next to me.
I like these ones.
Awesome view, huh? This is the first time we've ever done this. This is gonna be a long one.
What?
You never noticed how long this was
I know. It's
until you're out of the lake. This kid, we still got a whole finale going.
You haven't even hit the finale yet?
No,
Are you kidding?
swear to God.
Oh, that was
That was a big one. Oh, that was a fuck up. You're good, you're good, you're good. I'm gonna back up. There's like a fire when I get called. They're walking over to it.
What?
I see someone walking towards it, so I think they know. He's over near the woods now. Oh, I don't know where he went.
Woo! Wow. Oh,
We're good. Oh, those ones are leaned out perfectly, though. You know what I mean?
yeah, it's like right above us, but like not.
That's supposed to be how they are. For our heads.
I know.
Hey, you good? I thought you were trying to tell me something. Look. Yeah!